What's up, everybody? Brian here with Frugal Footprint. So it's actually the end of the growing season here in Minnesota. It's the first week of October, and I wanted to put out a little update video for those of you who are following along with the garden beds that we built last summer. As you can see, we had a pretty successful growing season. We have some raspberries, we planted some blueberries, we also have kale and chard, some tomatoes, some peppers. We also installed an irrigation system this year, which turned out pretty great. So here's a video showing some of those highlights. All right, well, it's spring in Minnesota. As you can see, the garden beds have kind of settled a bit, so we have an inch or two of space. So we're just topping them off with this extra soil that we had from last year. Gonna rake it in, and then we'll get to planting. In this bed, we're gonna be planting blueberries, and they really like acidity. So we took all of these pine needles that fell off of our massive hemlock tree. We're mixing them in with the soil, and the blueberries are really gonna like it. All right, so this is 2 weeks after planting everything. The blueberries are doing fine. Raspberries, we have our bell peppers, tomatoes, kale, chard. All right, and that wraps it up for the 2024 gardening season for us. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, let us know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you soon.